Hi, I'm Bill Kesterkey with Key Exteriors, and I'm actually standing in front of my home, which was a ranch home built in 1957, was pretty plain. Well, after living in the home a couple years, I decided to remodel it. One of the other products we changed out of my home was we took the old gutters and downspouts down, and we replaced those with a complete rain removal system. And what that consists of is a 6-inch gutter trough, okay, a 3-inch by 4-inch downspout, and a leaf relief on the top. What that does is it takes all the water off the roof, it gets it away from the foundation, and that can save you a lot of costly maintenance. Plus, with the leaf relief on top, it keeps the leaves out, and you don't have to go up there and clean, and it saves you a lot of time, plus it's safer. You don't have to get up on a ladder. If you'd like to get a quote on a new rain removal system from Key Exteriors, call us at 492-8062 or visit us online at keyexteriors.com.